Every now and then a gadget comes along that is just a game changer, and the Neo 3-in-1 electric egg cooker was exactly that for us. Now, we did buy this for the kitchen, so it's not a sponsored video, but this thing was so cheap and it actually makes cooking eggs so much easier, which is great for us because our family eats a lot of them. So first things first, boiled eggs. You can do them soft, medium or hard boiled. All you need to do is measure the water to the correct water line with the included measuring jug, and that will actually also serve as your timer because the cooker will automatically know when the water has evaporated, and then it will set the buzzing timer off and turn off the machine itself. Now, it does recommend piercing the bottom of the eggs with the included jabby thing on the measuring cup, but we didn't actually bother with that, to tell you the truth, and it suggests you do that so the eggs don't crack, but we've not really had an issue. And honestly, the medium boiled eggs that we did were really good. Now, you can do up to 7 at a time. We just did 2, but again, just check with the measuring cup how much water you will use depending on how many eggs you are cooking and whether you want them soft, medium or hard boiled. Next up, poached eggs. You can do 1 or 2 poached eggs at a time. So crack your required number of eggs into the included poaching tray, add your water, make sure you read the instructions to get the right amount of water, and then that's it. After a couple of minutes, it will buzz to let you know that the eggs are poached. Now, we do like our poached eggs a little bit runnier than what the egg cooker gave us, so next time we'll probably use just a touch less water so that the timer will go off sooner. However, the results speak for themselves, absolutely delicious, and the cooker's done a great job here. And then finally, the cooker can also make omelettes, and it can do this by using 1 or 2 eggs, so depending on how thick you want your omelette. Now, what we did was crack a couple of eggs, mix them up, put them into the included omelette tray, and then added some of our own fillings. In this case, we added some cheese, some ham, and some sliced tomato. Now, the booklet recommends that you do brush the omelette tray with a little oil or butter. I actually completely forgot to do that, but it wasn't a big deal. We still got the omelette out okay at the end, although next time I probably would do so. But again, the omelette was delicious, so that's 3 out of 3 for this egg cooker. I've got to say again, for the price of this thing, I am really surprised at just how well this thing performs. Definitely going to be a staple for our kitchen going forward, and I hope the video helped.